Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I received my Boxy Charm March subscription box and I wanted to come on and open it, do an unboxing with you. I have not even opened anything inside. I did take a peek, but that's it. Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription of full-size makeup products, usually high-end makeup products, and it is only $25 a month, and you get a free gift when you sign up, and then you get you do your subscription every month, just a reoccurring, and I believe I pay I think I pay $4 for shipping and handling, so it's like $29. But anyways, I received my box today, and it does not disappoint from what I have seen as far as the, just taking a peek. You get a card that shows you everything that is included. And like I said, this is the March subscription box. So I'm going to set it over here and just pull the products out one by one. And my box was kind of smashed, but I don't think anything is damaged. And it shows you how much the products retail for. And then you only pay $25, so yeah, super great. The first thing that I got was the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, and it says this palette is filled with the rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself, and it retails for $38. So the package itself is, you know, worth it if you just get the palette, but you get so much more. And I told Greg today, you know, I know that I won't like everything that they sent me, so I'm going to go on, I'll use some of it for giveaways on my channel, but I will also use some of it, I will sell probably on Mercari or in my Planning to Craft in California group. So if you are interested in any of it, let me know. I certainly won't be selling it for what retail is. So it says Lime Crime. You get a beautiful purple palette, and it has a mirror. And you get Dreamy, which is kind of a pinkish color. And then you get Beam, which is kind of a pinkish, it's got some glitter in it. Heavenly, which is like a rose gold color, which I will use definitely, and it has a little shimmer in it. You get Rapture, which I will definitely use. Ecstasy, which is a darker brown, and I will probably use that as well. Paradise, I'm not really into purples on my face. Bliss, I will use that. It's kind of a darker, more like a between a brown and a mauve. And then you get a, it's called Beloved, and it's just like a lighter, not quite as, it's a rose gold, but it's not as shimmery. So I hope you can see the shimmer in those because they're really pretty. So super cute eye palette. And then you get, this is made by Glow Recipe. It is Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming, hydrating, soothing, lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's a non-comedogenic and non-acnegenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blended with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and Sika. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin, and it retails for $39. actually just did my skincare routine with my Lime Life. So Glow Recipe Banana Souffle. It is a very thick glass jar. It doesn't have any fragrance, so I like that. And it's not totally, it has a fragrance in it, so it's not, it says, after serum, smooth a dime-sized amount onto clean skin morning and night. Gently pat into skin until fully absorbed. When your skin, here's a pro tip, it says, when skin is looking tired or dull, mix 1 drop of pineapple sea bright serum with a dime-sized amount of banana souffle moisture cream for bright, bouncy, and glowy skin. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. It does give you a little glow. You can see that. So I will probably put this beside my bed, put it on when I wake up and before I go to sleep. Just a nice moisturizer. I never would have used moisturizer before just because I had really oily, acne-prone skin. And now I realize the benefits of a moisturizer, especially at the age of 48. So I will definitely be using this one. And then you get the Maven Beauty Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. And I do use a setting spray. I actually use a setting spray. I spray my face before I put on my foundation, and I put it on after my primer, but then before I put on my foundation and my concealer. That's what I was trying to think of. It says shake well before use. After makeup application, close eyes and mist evenly 8 to 10 inches away from the face. And it says set your intentions and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And it retails for $22. And I am all about a spray that helps your makeup last longer. And my suggestion is after you spray your face with a setting spray, use a damp makeup sponge and just tap it on your face so that it kind of soaks in, doesn't leave you looking too shiny, and it helps your makeup stay in place. And you get a nice 3.38 ounces. Shake well before each use. That means it has something in it, like probably, this is vegan, so that means it doesn't have a bunch of junk in it. But it does have alcohol. That's why I figured that they wanted you to shake it. I'm going to spray some on my hand. But see how it kind of sits on top of your skin? If you just tap it down with your sponge, it soaks into your skin and gets more even. And then it's not real sticky either. It dries good. So I think it will really help your makeup stay. And I know rose water is really good for your skin. So I will be using that. And then Kab Cosmetics. I don't know if they go by Kab or Kab. Oh, it says Kim, Ariana, and Briella. So they must go by Kab Cosmetics. And this is a lip oil. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lip will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. I'm all about something that moisturizes my lips. I can't imagine it staying all day long because there's like hardly anything that does, but this is called Rum Punch. I gotta take my sleeve off. So it does have just a little bit of color to it. You can see that it is very glossy. I don't know about being non-sticky. And I don't know about anybody else, but this will be nice to wear over top of my lipstick. But yeah, I don't like sticky when it comes to my lips. And I do Lime Life by Alcon, and their lip gloss is not sticky. This is a little sticky. But I'll give it a try, and I'll keep you updated how the Kab Lip Oil. And this retails for $20. And then I got the $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. Super excited about this. I love a brow gel that sets your brows. This flake-free formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold to keep your eyebrows in place and on point. So I use my dark brown eyebrow pencil and kind of fill in my brows a little bit, and then you just put this on. So that'll be great to try. My makeup, I hope it's not hard to get off, but everything says that it keeps it on nice and for a long time. So super excited to try the $1 Billion Brows Clear Brow Gel. And then, and this retails for $18. So total, you get 60, 100. So you get about $140 of products, and it cost me $25. I got a free palette, eyeshadow palette, for signing up for the first time with Boxy Charm. And this is Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. And okay, let's see what it looks like. There were two palettes that you could choose from, and I chose this one because it was more of the browns and natural colors. Ooh, super pretty. So you get, this one's called Olive Me, and it's kind of like a gold glittery. You get Wishful, which is like a lighter pink. Charmed, which is a darker mauve. Infinity, which is a dark brown. You get Infatuated, which is just a little bit darker pink. Endless Desire, which is kind of like an orangish pink. You get Wink, which is like a blush pink. All of You, which is kind of a, I would say it's between a gold, it's more like a rose gold. And it's got some shimmer in it. You get Juicy, which is kind of a copper color. Major Spotlight, which is a white kind of shimmer. Lovebird, which is a pinkish orange shimmer. And then Olive Glow. And I may try to use, I don't usually use, you know, a lot of color. I go more natural. Has a nice mirror in the palette. So this will be fun to try out. So that is my Boxy Charm order for March. I got the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette, the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette, Billion Dollar Brows Clear Brow Gel, Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, calming and hydrating, Kab Lip Oil, and that's by Kab Cosmetics, and then the Maven Beauty Rosewater Setting Spray. So, what do you think of the BoxyCharm subscription? This is my first one. I thought I might try it out for about a year and see how the products are and see what all you get. So, I think I'm going to keep everything this time. But I will keep you updated when I get my April box. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video because I received my order from Lime Life by Alcone. And my link to my website for Lime Life will be down below in the description. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about this beauty box. $140 worth of products, and I only pay $25 a month. So I will be back soon with another planner, crafty, or beauty video. Everyone have a wonderful weekend.